Hello guys, today I'm sharing with you an easy chocolate mousse recipe. In a bowl, melt 180 grams of dark chocolate. Melt them in the microwave or over hot water. Then in a saucepan on low heat, add 60 grams of sugar and 60 grams of heavy cream. Once it's about to boil, mix 4 large egg yolks, and add some of the hot mixture and mix to temper the yolks. Then return everything back to the saucepan on low heat and mix for 1 minute only to kill any bacteria from the yolks. We do not want to cook this. Whip the yolk mixture until it becomes creamy and the color lightens. Whip 2 cups of heavy cream. Temperature is very important for this chocolate mousse. The melted chocolate has to be around body temperature. It cannot be too hot or it will melt the whipping cream. Add the room temperature yolk mixture to the chocolate and mix well. Now start adding the whipping cream bit by bit, making sure to fold very well. Don't add all the cold whipping cream all at once or your chocolate will set and you will end up with pieces of chocolate. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. Use this to make a chocolate mousse cake. Or just by itself.